Hi guys. Week two is our beginning part of the journey here. Really, it's just a nice introduction for you on all levels. The textbook, the Sutton textbook, is going to go over kind of the basic stuff. Who was here in North America? Where did they come from? And on Canvas, I have stuff about the land bridge, the Bering land bridge theory. You should know that this is just the most popular theory. It's not the only one, but it's definitely the most widely accepted one. I think that if we were in a prehistory class, that we might be able to delve further into this and sort of talk about the different other ideas that there might be. But for our purposes in this class, understanding the Bering land bridge theory is totally acceptable, and I think there's still a great reason why we should think that that is exactly what has happened here. So I have a video for you there on Canvas, and a picture, an image there inlaid to show you kind of maybe the routes that people first entered the continent from. As well, in the Dunbar-Ortiz articles, we are getting a sense that perhaps the history that we know is missing some things, and some parts of history have been omitted, according to this author. So we might want to think about why that is. Why, and over time, why have these things been omitted? And what are the important things to know? How do we set the record straight? And then in the last article, the Follow the Corn article, she does a really nice job of sort of continuing this trend and explaining perhaps what the actual history of this continent might have looked like by going through some of the civilizations that first existed in South America, what's now South America, and Mesoamerica, Central America, and how those civilizations may have played a part in the civilizations that we would see up here and that we will be studying in North America. And so those relationships and how things have progressed. So that's the basic overview for this week. Happy learning!